Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. So in our today's class, we are going to solve exercise 4C. We have already done exercise 4B. So in our today's class, we are going to solve exercise 4C from page number 39. You see here, the question is add the following. Means you have to do addition here. Now remember students, you already know how to do addition, isn't it? So in the concept of money, you have to follow the same process. The same process you have to follow to solve the questions of money. Alright, now let's solve and see how we can do it. Let's start with question number 1. Now what does question number 1 say? Question number 1 is 37.25, 43.60 and 82.05. This is the question. Now let's solve it. Question number 1. 37.25, 43.60 and 82.05. This is 37 rupees 25 pies, 43 rupees 60 pies and 82 rupees 5 pies. This is the question. Now remember students, always put the points below the points. Point here, just below the point I put another point, and just below the point I put another point. This is how you have to arrange the numbers. If you don't arrange the numbers properly, you will not get the correct answer. Now let's solve this question. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0, 1. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Point will come down here. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 carry forward 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So our answer becomes rupees 162.90, means 162 rupees 90 pies becomes our answer. Alright. Now remember students, if you don't write the point in the exam, the answer will become different. If you don't write the point here, the answer will become 16,290 rupees. But is that the answer? No, that is not the answer. So always remember that you mention the point in your answer. If you don't mention the point in your answer will become wrong. Even if your calculation is correct, if you don't put the point, your answer will automatically become wrong. So while you are doing questions on money, always remember to put the point. If there is a point, then put a point. Alright. Now let's solve another question. Let's solve question number 4. Question number 4 is 0.75, 55.80 and 63.08. This is the question. Now in the first number, you see there is no money. There is only 75 pies. This is 55 rupees 80 pies, 63 rupees 8 pies. Now we have arranged the numbers. It is already here, but we have arranged it here also. Now we are going to solve the question. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 carry forward 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. And are we forgetting something? Yes, we are forgetting to put the point here. So our answer is complete. Write this answer in your book like this. 119.63. Let's solve other questions. Now let's solve question number 10. Now in these questions from 9 to 16, you can see that these numbers have not been arranged for you. So you have to arrange the numbers properly and then you have to solve the question. In this question number 10, you see rupees 37.05, rupees 83.27 plus 25 pies. This is 25 pies. So first let's arrange the numbers. Question number 10. 37.05, 83 rupees 0.25 paisa and 0.25 pies. This is 25 pies. So what are we going to do? We are going to write 25 after the point or before the point? Yes, we are going to write this 25 after the point because this is pies. If it was rupees, so we have written it before the point. Now we have arranged the numbers, put 2 zeros here since there is nothing here, and now let's solve this question. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5. Point. 7 plus 3 is 10, 1, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So our answer becomes 120.57. Now let's do question number 15. Let's arrange the numbers first. 75.26, 15.37 and 5.10. I have arranged the numbers. Now I am going to do the addition. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point. Always remember to put the point. There are 3 5 years, so I am not going to count 5 plus 5 plus 5. I can directly say 5 3s are 15. 15, 1, 7, 8, 9. So our answer becomes 95.73. Now let's do one last sum from this exercise. Let's solve question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16 is 7.25, 6 pies. Now this is tricky. Pay attention here. 6 pies, right? So 0, there is no rupees, so I am putting a 0.6 pies. This is 25, so 0, 6. If 10 pies is 0.10, 20 pies is 0.20, so 6 pies will be 0.06. 5 pies will be 0.05. Right? You have to write it like this. 6 pies is so 0.06. This is the correct format. Next one is 72.50. This is how you have to arrange it. Okay, always keep in mind. Now let's add. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point will come here. 7, 8, 9 and 7, 7. So our answer becomes 79 rupees 81 pies. Understood? 7.25, 6 pies, 0.06. 06. So we have done question number 16. I hope you have understood how to solve the questions and how to arrange the numbers. How to solve and arrange, okay? So now we are going to do exercise 4D. In exercise 4D, it is saying that you have to do subtraction. In this exercise, exercise 4B, you have already done subtraction, isn't it? So you can do subtraction. You have to follow the same process here also. Now let's solve question number 1. Now question number 1 is you have to do subtraction. Do how you do subtraction. Same process. I have written the question here. Now let's solve it. 1 minus 2 is 1. 6 is less than 8. So this will become 16. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8. I have borrowed 1 from 7. So this will become 6. 6 is less than 7. So I have to borrow 1 from 8. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9. I borrowed 1 from 8. So I have to subtract 1 from 8. This will become 7. 5 minus 7 is 2. 5, 6, 7. Am I forgetting something? Yes, I am forgetting to put the point. Always remember to put the point. So now I have solved this question. Now I am going to write this answer. 29.81. See, easy. This is just how you do subtraction. You have to follow the same method. Now let's solve one more question from this exercise. Question number 3. I have written question number 3 here. This is the question. 0, 5. This will become 10. 5 minus 10 is 5. This is 0, so I have to borrow 1 from 3. So this becomes 10. And I borrowed 1 from this 10. So this becomes 9. 3 minus 9 is 6. I borrowed 1 from 3, so this becomes 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And I did not borrow anything from 5, so this 4 minus 5 becomes 1 point. This becomes the answer of question number 3. I've solved this question. You write the answer in your book. Now let's solve question number 9. I've written the question number 9 here. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 is less than 8, so this 4 will become 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. I borrowed 1 from 5, so this will become 4. 4 is less than 5, so I have to borrow 1 from 8. This will become 14. 5 minus 14 is 9. I borrowed 1 from 8. I borrowed 1 from 8. So this since I borrowed 1 from 8, I have to cut and make it 7. I borrowed 1 from 8, so I have to subtract 1 from 8. I borrowed 1 from 8, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. I did not borrow anything from 4, so this 4 will come down. 439.60 is the answer. Now let's solve one last question from exercise 4D. This question, 750.08 minus 452.85. 8 minus 5, 5 minus 8 is easy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. 0. So this 0 will become 10. 8, 9, 10, 2. Point. I have to borrow 1 from 5 because this is 0. And I borrowed 1 from this 0. So I have to cut and make it 9. 2 minus 9 is 7. And I borrowed 1 from 5. I borrowed 1 from 5. That's why this 0 could become 10. Cut and make it 4. 5 is less than 4. So I have to borrow 1 from 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9. And I borrowed 1 from 7. This will become 6. 4 minus 6 is 2. 297.23 becomes the answer of question number 14. So 297.23 becomes the answer of question number 14. So we have solved question number 1, 3, 9 and 14. You solve the rest of the questions in your homework. You solve rest of the questions in your homework from exercise 4D and the rest of the questions in your homework from exercise 4C. So that's all for today, students. I hope you understood today's class. Bye. Bye everyone.